Number 1. 1989 Nissan D21 Hardbody, $4,200, Montebello, California. This 1989 Nissan Hardbody is a simple, durable compact pickup known for reliability and low operating costs. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it offers a straightforward driving experience. The truck appears to be in good condition with a clean title, though the odometer is not functional. Custom wheels and tires add visual appeal, and it is described as ideal for light-duty work such as landscaping. As a classic Japanese mini truck, it is valued for its toughness, but buyers should expect basic features and potential cosmetic wear. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet 4x4, $4,500, Lerna, Illinois. A solid example of a mid-1980s Chevrolet four-wheel drive pickup. This truck is mechanically sound and retains its factory 4-speed manual transmission. The V8 engine and 4-wheel drive system make it capable for off-road or work use. However, it needs a bed floor and windshield replacement, indicating moderate restoration needs. These square-body Chevrolets are increasingly collectible, especially in 4-wheel drive form, making this a worthwhile project with strong long-term potential. Number 3. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $5,000, River Road, California. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 features a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and simple driving experience. It runs and drives, with a new battery already installed, though it will require new tires. The long bed configuration makes it practical for hauling. As part of the final generation of square-body trucks, it has classic styling and strong parts availability, making it a good entry-level classic truck project. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet C50 Grain Truck, $1,000, Trent, South Dakota. This heavy-duty 1969 Chevrolet C50 Grain Truck is a true workhorse project. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it has been sitting for 16 years and will require significant mechanical work, including clutch, ignition, and carburetor repairs. The hoist system also needs attention. While not suited for casual collectors, it could be valuable for farm use or as a restoration project for someone interested in vintage commercial trucks. Number 5. 1988 Chevrolet Cheyenne C-1500 4x4, $3,800, Puyallup, Washington. A desirable square-body Chevrolet 4x4, this 1988 Cheyenne features a 350 V8 engine and a newer automatic transmission. The truck runs but requires an engine rebuild due to heavy smoke, likely from worn piston rings or valve seals. It has a straight frame and no rust, which is a major advantage. Minor accident damage to the front panels is noted. With its solid foundation, this is a strong candidate for restoration or performance build. Number 6. 1980 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $8,500, Norco, California. This one-owner 1980 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe stands out as an original California truck with no rust. Powered by a 4.1-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives but is not used daily. The truck features tasteful upgrades such as a lowered stance, rally wheels, and interior refresh components. Its originality, combined with a clean body and factory paint, makes it especially appealing to collectors seeking an unmodified example. Number 7. 1979 Ford F350, $6,000, Venice, California. This 1979 Ford F350 is equipped with a powerful 460 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, making it ideal for towing and heavy-duty work. It includes practical additions such as a ladder rack and contractor toolbox. The truck runs strong and has had recent mechanical work, though it needs cosmetic improvements including paint and interior restoration. These late 1970s Ford trucks are known for durability and are popular among work truck enthusiasts. Number 8. 1939 Studebaker L5, $15,000, Silver Lake, Kansas. A unique custom build, this 1939 Studebaker L5 sits on a modern 2002 Chevrolet S10 chassis and is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This wrist-to-mod approach provides improved drivability and reliability while maintaining vintage styling. It runs and drives well, though the fiberglass body has some cracks and paint imperfections. As a kit-based custom, it offers a distinctive blend of classic aesthetics and modern usability. Number 9. 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, $12,000, Parker, Colorado. This 1967 El Camino combines classic muscle car styling with pickup utility. It is powered by a rebuilt 327 cubic inch V8 engine with less than 1,000 miles, paired with a floor-shifted 3-speed manual transmission. The truck runs strong and features new wheels, tires, and interior updates. With only light rust and a straight body, it represents a solid driver-quality classic. El Caminos from this era are highly sought after for their versatility and style. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet C30, $13,500, Lemon Grove, California. A heavy-duty 1972 Chevrolet C30 equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. This Longhorn Cheyenne model runs great and is ready for use. With its strong drivetrain and clean title, it is suitable for hauling or as a classic work truck. These one-ton trucks are less common than half-ton models, making them appealing to collectors who appreciate utility-focused classics. Number 11. 1999 Chevrolet Truck, $700, Greenwood, Wisconsin. Although newer than typical classics, this 1999 Chevrolet Truck is offered as a budget project or parts vehicle. The engine and transmission are reported to be in good working condition, but the frame is in very poor shape and brake lines need replacement. With approximately 225,000 miles, it is nearing the end of its lifespan. It may serve as a temporary work truck or donor vehicle rather than a restoration candidate. Number 12. 1970 Chevrolet GMC C10 short wheelbase Stepside, $29,950, Sun City, California. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 Stepside is a high-quality, restored, and upgraded example. Powered by a 327 V8 paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, it offers modern drivability. Extensive upgrades include new paint, interior, suspension, brakes, and chrome. The truck is fully functional and capable of highway speeds, making it a turnkey classic. Short wheelbase stepside trucks are especially desirable, and this example reflects strong craftsmanship and attention to detail. Number 13. 1956 Ford F100, $40,000, Benson, Arizona. This 1956 Ford F100 represents a professionally restored and heavily upgraded classic truck. It features a rebuilt 351 Windsor V8 engine, automatic overdrive transmission, and numerous performance and comfort enhancements including air conditioning, power steering, and upgraded suspension. The frame-off restoration ensures excellent structural and cosmetic condition. With approximately 22,000 miles since completion, this truck combines classic styling with modern performance, making it a premium collector-grade vehicle.